Why you win in demo, but lose in live. You have been here before. You open a demo account. You are calm, calculated, precise. You take clean entries, hold your trades, close at target. Your equity curve goes up. You feel ready. Then you go live. And everything changes. The same setup appears, but your hand hesitates. You enter late. You move your stop. You close early. The trade you would have held for 3 hours on demo, you cut in 40 minutes on live. The result? A loss. Or a win so small, it may as well be a loss. This is not a strategy problem. Your strategy worked fine on demo. This is an execution problem, and it sits between your ears. Here is what happens biologically. When real money is at risk, your brain activates the amygdala. That is the threat detection center. It floods your system with cortisol, the stress hormone. Your decision-making shifts from the prefrontal cortex, where rational analysis lives, to the limbic system, where survival instincts live. You are no longer a trader analyzing a setup. You are a threat responder. Fight or flight, and flight, in trading terms, is closing the trade early. This is not weakness. This is evolution. Your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do: protect you from danger. The problem is that a 20-point drawdown on a live trade triggers the same biological response as a physical threat. Your body cannot tell the difference, and that response overrides everything you learned on demo. The fix is not more screen time. It is not a better indicator. It is not revenge trading to win it back. The fix is building an execution framework that works when you are under pressure. A framework that removes the need for decision-making in the heat of the moment. What does that look like? 4 things. First, predefined risk. Before you enter any trade, you know exactly what you lose if it fails. Not roughly. Exactly. 1% of your account, 0.5%. Whatever your number is, it is decided before you click buy. When the trade goes against you, the stop is already placed. You do not decide under pressure. You decided before the pressure existed. Second, mechanical targets. Your take profit is not a feeling. It is a level, a structure level, a measured move, a prior high, a liquidity zone. Something concrete. You do not sit and watch the candles and wonder if this is the top. You set the target in advance and let the market do its job. If the market hits your target, you are out. If it does not, the trade continues working. Third, position sizing that matches your emotional tolerance. Here is what nobody tells you. Your demo account was probably $100,000. Your live account is £500. The irony is that smaller accounts create more pressure, not less, because every loss feels like a larger percentage of your capital. Size your positions so that a full stop loss costs you an amount you genuinely do not care about losing. If you care about the money in the trade, you are too big. Scale down until a loss feels like nothing, then trade at that size until your confidence catches up. Fourth, a trade journal, not a spreadsheet of entries and exits, a journal of what you felt. Were you anxious at entry? Did you hesitate? Did you move your stop? Did you close early? Did you add to a loser? Write it down. Every trade. The patterns will show themselves within a week. You will see that you always flinch at the same drawdown level. You always close early on the same type of setup. You always revenge trade after the same kind of loss. And once you see the pattern, you can build a rule to counter it. The gap between demo and live is not about strategy. It is about environment. Demo gives you the luxury of emotional neutrality. Live takes it away. The traders who bridge that gap are the ones who build systems that remove the need for in-the-moment decisions. Every decision is made before the trade starts. Entry, stop, target, size, all preset. The only decision left is whether the setup meets your criteria. Yes or no. Binary, no emotion required. Demo success is not fake. It proves your strategy works. It proves you can read the market. The work now is building the execution framework that lets you bring that same clarity to live trading. When real money is on the line. When the amygdala fires. When your instinct is to flinch, the strategy was never the problem. The execution environment was. Fix the environment and the results follow.